And this got me thinking, this is actually why change feels so much harder as we age. Even if the new system is better, you resist it because it costs. Even just switching your daily routine. Change feels harder because we just bought a new dishwasher. Same size, same cabinet, same brand. But everything feels so different. I didn't even realize how hard it would be for me to relearn something so simple. And it made me question how we actually deal with change in our everyday lives. And it's not just about the dishwasher. It made me realize why so many of us stay stuck. Why we sabotage the very freedom we're trying to build. Stay with me till the end, because this might be the pattern holding you back too. Hi, I'm Ivy K. This is Living LyfStyled. Here I share the real-time journey of building lifestyle and financial freedom without burnout, hustle, or waiting for someday. If that resonates with you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your ideal lifestyle might just depend on what we unpack in this video. We recently had to replace our dishwasher after some house electrical issues finally did it in. Once that was sorted, we chose a model from the same brand, the same width, same depth, same everything on paper. I thought it would be a plug and play situation, and I even asked all the right questions during the installation. The technician even explained some cool new features that the dishwasher has. It opens automatically after the dishwasher is done with a cycle. It's quieter during the cycles, and it has a feature that measures the detergents that it needs for that wash automatically. Wow, I was sold. He sold me in on the upgrade. But what he didn't prepare me for was the internal design. It feels a bit smaller. The drawers are also kind of designed differently, and the layout forces me to repack everything differently compared to how I used to do it. So suddenly, I'm spending time on something that I already had mastered. Something that was working perfectly for our family. And this got me thinking, this is actually why change feels so much harder as we age. When you've done something for so long, packing a dishwasher, doing your job, raising your kids, your body builds muscle memory. You no longer think, you just do the things automatically. That ease that you have with that particular task gives your brain the margin to handle other things. But when change shows up, even good change, it interrupts the muscle memory. And suddenly we are forced to rethink how we do something that we already knew how to do. Now you're solving something that used to feel automatic. That's not just time consuming, it's also mentally exhausting. Even if the new system is better, you resist it because it costs you mental energy that you were already using elsewhere. And when you're juggling parenthood, work, survival, that's a cost you can't always afford. This isn't just about the dishwasher. It's about changing your career that no longer energizes you, starting your own business, becoming a parent, whether you've planned it or not, moving to a new city, even just switching your daily routine. Change feels harder because it disrupts the system that once helped us cope. But if we don't make room for new systems, we stay stuck in lives that no longer serve us. And that also doesn't really help us move forward. And that's a shame, especially when you want to build lifestyle and financial freedom. This is what the dishwasher situation taught me. Because to be honest, I had options. I could have rejected the change, complained, or returned the machine. And to be honest, I did complain. I vented out to my husband. I was like, why did they even change it? Why fix something that's already working and the consumers already like it? It wasn't broken, everything was going good. Why? He reminded me that we still had about 30 days to return it, but that's not what I actually wanted when I really thought about it. What I wanted was my comfort back. I wanted the learning curve to disappear so I could just go back to the smooth sailing. But real growth doesn't happen there. And real freedom doesn't come without friction. You know, it's easy to dream about lifestyle and financial freedom, but have you thought about everything in your current life that has to change to make that dream possible? If you're not willing to reconfigure your habits, your work style, or even your mindset, then freedom won't feel like freedom. It'll feel like stress. If this is clicking for you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's free. I'm creating content like this each week to help you build the lifestyle you actually want to live. So this is how I'm building my systems again. Right now, I'm preparing for some major transitions. I'm about to become a parent of 2. We're replacing more appliances. Our garden is about to be redesigned basically in order to suit the family that we want to raise. Even the 9-to-5 work that I do might shift drastically after maternity. And all these transitions require me to let go of what once worked so that I can design a lifestyle that works for where I am now. That's the heart of LyfStyled. Every new phase of life, new job, new baby, new income requires new systems, new rhythms. And the sooner you recognize that disruption is temporary, the more supported you'll feel moving through it. It's okay if it feels emotional or frustrating. Lean on your partner. Lean on your plans. Just don't get stuck. Because stuck is what leads to burnout, to resentment, and to the kind of life where you're just always waiting for someday. And here's the thing. Not every upgrade will feel good right away. Sometimes the new things feel worse before it starts feeling better. But change isn't the enemy. Resistance to change is the actual enemy. Give yourself permission to feel the friction. Take your time learning the new systems, but also be willing to move forward. That's how we build a life we love. That's how we make room for freedom. And if your next phase includes a big life transition, whether it's maternity leave, quitting your job, or launching your own dream startup, start by preparing. One tool I always reach out for in order to prepare for my changes is the transition fund calculator. It helped me figure out exactly how much I need to save to support the change I want to make. Once I have that clarity, the transition doesn't feel as scary as I thought it would be. Here's the thing that I want you to take away from this. Change, even the kind that we actually choose, requires us to unlearn what used to work. The sooner we accept that, the smoother our path to freedom becomes. And if you're only starting on this journey now, watch this video next where I talk about why saving for life transitions is more important than retiring early. I believe that it will truly help you to see just how important these life-changing events are compared to just the final end when you're retiring, so that you are able to prepare well for each of your exciting life-changing moments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly real-time lessons on building lifestyle and financial freedom. And please do this one for me. Share in the comments what upgrade in your life felt harder than you expected it to be. I'll see you on the next video that I've linked right over here.